Kadai masala is one important spice powder in the Indian kitchen. If you love Indian kadai curries, then this is the perfect recipe of kadai masala to make kadai chicken or kadai paneer. Unbeatable flavors and extraordinary taste guaranteed. In a pan, take 2.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 whole dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast them on medium flame for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, all the spices smells really good, so after dry roasting them, make a coarse powder and store it into an airtight container. Use this kadai masala into kadai recipes. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.